Hi guys, welcome to a video, and today we're going to be playing Transfer Outbreak again. So, I'm really excited because they said they wouldn't do any more updates, so now they are. And I'm really excited about it. So, I'm just going to start out by going on chapter 2, and let's get into it. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but okay. Alright. I wonder who the rude person was. Probably someone over there, though. Right. For the sake of it, I'm just not gonna have any weapons out like the whole time and just gonna follow people like in a group so that I don't have to like fight anything. Because, well, we can all just have peace, like peace when it's not me fighting anything. So yeah. Okay, there's a lot of furies. Okay, well, I'm just gonna like sit right here and stay till. Okay. Sure. Here. Why are people dressing like Friday Night Funkin' like all the time? They think they think this game is Friday Night Funkin', and yet it is not. And okay, there's a dancing fury. I usually do that when I'm in fury. You just dance, and then people start hitting me. Okay. There are so many furies. At one point, I think I might actually have to like take weapons out now. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, it's so lovely watching the animals at the zoo. They're so calm and not totally just able to run out of the cage whenever they want to. No, I don't know why that would ever exist. Alright. Okay. How many kids are playing this right now? Why do they need to know that? What? Why do they need to know that? They need to know that. Green Fury is just sitting down. Okay. Well, I mean, I wouldn't technically. Okay. Yeah. That happened. Oh well. Let's see. Ability? No? Literally. He ran into the cone just to stop attacking me. Dude, I mean, I'm glad that they actually check if I'm a foe or not, but okay. Oh hey, they're black now. Well, I think friendship and stuff is good in this case, but wait, are my Pockies orange? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way to reset it. Okay, well, okay, I'm being attacked by high-rise men. High effort, high effort people. Jeez. Wait, do I? Oh yeah. Did I show you my fridge? I got a fridge. A fridge. And yes, I have a fridge, and I loaded it with all my snacks, so that I got a portable fridge. Okay. Also, I got fishing on my pants, and yeah. Alright, it's time to go to the next, going to the different chapter. In next video. Alright, well, see you guys later. Bye!